Hello, welcome to my channel Sewing at Home Mom. Today I would like to share with you how I fix a hole in a puffer jacket, how I sew it to prevent the feathers from flying out of the hole. So I start by grabbing a piece of interfacing with adhesive on one side, and I insert the adhesive side to touch the left side of the fabric, and I use a toothpick to help me guide that small piece of interfacing in, and this will somehow prevent the feathers and down from flying out of that hole. And I'll make sure to get the two sides of the fabric, two raw edges of the hole overlapping, so that will help me later on with closing the hole shut. So once I have that, I like to press it with the right temperature settings on my iron, and I like to use a pressing cloth to prevent any damage to the delicate fabric, the outer fabric of the jacket. And once I'm done with that, I clean the hole. And I move on with my thread and a needle, and I make the sewing knot at the end of the thread, and I start the ladder stitch by poking the needle through the hole from left side up to the right side to hide the sewing knot, and then I will continue with the stitches across the hole, so going from one side across to the other side, creating something that resembles a ladder. You can see it on the diagram here, and I will continue with that stitch all the way down till I reach the end of that hole. And once I'm done with that, I'll pull onto the thread to tighten the stitch, to close it down. And next I make the finishing, or rather ending knot, to secure that stitch. I'll clean any feathers trying to get out of the holes, the stitching holes, any down. And once I'm done with that, I will reinforce that stitch by quickly doing a whip stitch over the ladder stitch. So it's a diagonal whip stitch going from side to side, as you can see it on the diagram as well. So once I'm done with the whipping stitch, I'll make the finishing sewing knot. And before I cut that thread off, I like to bring it back inside between the fabrics, pull it away from the finishing knot, and then I cut the thread, I trim the thread. So once I'm done, I like to press it down yet again, the area, to make it nice and neat. And once I'm done with that, that's it, it's ready to go. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.